In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. So if this is something that you want to be able to fix, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to of course come to your Instagram app. And now you should be taken to this page right here. And then come to your profile, and then we're going to locate the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down a little bit and then click on archive. So click on archive, because then you should be taken to this page right here. So make sure that you do already have stories archived in here, as you can see. So if you have, for example, let's see, like post archive or live archive, make sure that you actually select stories archive, because in here you will be able to see complete like stories archive that you currently have on your Instagram right now. You can also click on the three dots in the top right corner. So click on the three dots. Then what you're going to do is to click on settings right here, as you can see. And then if you currently don't have this first option in here where it says save story to archive, as you can see, automatically save photos and videos to your archive, so you don't have to save them to your phone. Only you can see your archive. So now you're going to just toggle this one on if you haven't done so already, the first one right here. And then what will happen is that all of the other stories that you're now going to post is going to automatically save to your archive stories. So this is exactly how to fix it.